What do you call a person who does not eat meat?
Valedictorian.
If you enjoy spending time alone, what type of person are you?
Inverter.
What do you call a person who is attracted to both males and females?
Bicycle.
When a woman is pregnant with 2 babies, they are called twins. When a woman is pregnant with 3 babies, they are called blank.
3 babies. Triceps.
What is the plural form of shell?
Children.
What animal is considered a man's best friend? Crocodile. What's worse than a breakup?
Back pen.